Sustainable yield is the highest rate a renewable resource can be used without reducing its availability. For example, an indication we are living unsustainably would be desertification, shrinking forests, global warming, and having endangered species. The root causes of unsustainabilities include wasteful use of resources, poverty, rapid population growth, and widespread recycling programs. Sustainability is the use of a renewable resource faster than it can be replenished. There are two types of sustainability. Sustainability of resources and sustainability of an ecosystem. Some examples of sustainability of resources would be a certain species of fish that we eat, or a certain kind of tree from a forest that we use to make paper out of, or a certain kind of plant we. Sustainable development in an ecosystem must be done by people. To start sustainable development, we must attract people, and assist the disadvantaged, and include all people of the earth. And by planning for natural hazards and human population problems and resource shortages, it will help the human population to be more prepared for an emergency. And we can do this by applying the precautionary principle. And if we do plan for changes in the earth, it will help prepare ourselves for natural disasters and emergencies that will help us save whatever would have been destroyed. The precautionary principle is the principle that the introduction of a new product or process whose ultimate effects are disputed or unknown should be resisted. It has mainly been used to prohibit the importation of genetically modified organisms and food. Making sustainable development attractive to people would require us to be friendly and informative. To bring environmental awareness, we could speak to people on the street, hand out flyers of facts, and gather people together for an informational meeting. Another key to bringing environmental awareness is to assist the disadvantaged. Most people do not use eco-friendly appliances because it's not convenient or they're too expensive. If we make it easy and cheaper to use eco-friendly devices, then more people will use them. And if we make it more convenient to recycle, then more people will recycle. How do we make eco-friendly items more convenient? Scientists must work together to figure out ways to make eco-friendly devices more cost-effective. The people who care about the environment and using eco-friendly devices can hold bake sales to fund the scientists who are working to make the environment well. Many people do not have the money to spend on very expensive, eco-friendly devices. We can raise money from having bake sales and book drives and other fundraisers to give eco-friendly devices to families so we can help the environment. All those changes will help the environment greatly and assist the disadvantaged. By assisting the disadvantaged, it helps the whole people of the earth to work as a unit in helping the environment and sustaining the ecosystem. It is very important that the people of Earth work as a unit because if only some countries were environmentally friendly, then other countries might not have sustainable resources. And if the other countries don't have sustainable resources, then the whole world will be off balance. For example, if the United States of America uses all the oil and gas in the Middle East and Africa, then those countries will run out of gas and not have any gas for themselves, and the other worlds will not be able to take oil and energy from those countries. And then some countries will be out of oil and energy.